Okay friends, in this lecture I'm going to show you how you can read text from a given HTML DOM element. I mean, inside this body I'm going to have a div. I'm gonna assign an ID to this div, that is div div1, and inside this div I'm gonna have text like this is div. Now what do I want this time is, I want that if somebody clicks a button inside this body, so for this purpose I must have a button first, so I'm going to have the value attribute of this button to set on read text. So what do I want this time is that if somebody is simply clicking on this input button, the text inside this div must be returned, and then after I'm going to display that text returning from here into an alert box. So for this purpose I'm going to assign an ID to this input button, that is btn, and then inside this document.ready function I'm gonna simply select button via buttons ID, so hash btn, and then I'm gonna assign here click event handler function to this button, and inside this click event handler function I'm going to say that select the div via the ID, that is div1, and then get the text inside that div via this text function, and once the text is available then alert that text in alert box. So let me show you once again what is happening here. If somebody is clicking this button, I'm in this btn.click, event handler function will be called, and then look here inside this alert parameter list, div is selected, so this div is selected, and then this text method will simply read the text inside this div, and that text will get alerted on in the browser. So if I go ahead and run this file, look here, if I click on this button, the text here inside this div must get alerted. So here look, we have the text, it is coming all the way from this div.